By now you may have heard about the remarkable benefits of the keto diet, from scientific research to celebrity endorsements. Even friends on social media are posting about keto. Is it just another weight loss gimmick? Or can it really transform your body and your mind?
When you reduce carbohydrates in the body, the liver will convert fatty acids into ketones, and those ketones will become your primary energy source instead of glucose.
Kina Hooker is a registered nurse, fitness trainer, and someone who understands the keto concept.
Your body runs more efficiently off of ketones as its primary energy source. So not only will you be losing weight, but you will actually have more physical energy and more mental energy as a result. Your brain uses more energy than any other part of your body. So if you're fueling your brain with ketones, it's just going to run so much better.
I'm always more mentally focused doing keto. My mind is more alert, more clear, and has more energy.
Committed to health and fitness, Rochelle Moyer adapts her eating plan to incorporate a keto lifestyle.
There's always a big difference for me, especially with keto. Towards the end of the workday, I'm not crashing. My mind is still alert, I'm still focused, still have energy.
Keto isn't new. It's how our ancient ancestors used to eat long before modern man gave us an abundance of carbs and sugar. But modern technology can also make eating keto a lot easier. There's plenty of resources online that provide keto-friendly recipes and information. And if you're looking for an additional keto edge, technology can help you there too.
Exogenous ketones are ketones that come from outside your body in a supplemental form. That means that in addition to having weight loss and fat burn, you can actually increase your energy and your mental focus in the middle of your workday by utilizing the exogenous ketones. There's a lot of companies that make a lot of claims, so just do your research. Keto Advanced Weight Loss with BHB is a really great product that can help you get into the keto zone.
Studies say the ideal ratio for a keto diet is 70% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. And if you need a ketone boost, well, you can have that too. For Health Check, I'm Jeremy Hoop.